With Salesforce Customer 360, companies have the power to help sales teams boost sales productivity using the full power of the connected Salesforce platform. Your reps have an automated queue prioritizing their highest value prospects first. And you can scale best practices by guiding reps through the prospecting process. Notifying your reps when to call, when to wait, and what to say on calls. Then, with one click, reps can send a follow-up email, log a call, and convert another lead, automating busy work. They can even send their available meeting times from their calendar and add the details to Salesforce automatically. As the deal progresses, sales reps can work smarter with tools that let them easily monitor the health of their opportunities, get the latest account details and social news, and ensure they're responding fast to customer inquiries with approved pricing and accurate quotes. They can even collaborate with stakeholders in a centralized workspace, online or offline, to close deals fast. Furthermore, as conditions change, you can quickly upskill your sales teams for remote selling with a gamified digital learning experience. And as business grows, quickly optimize territories with a click of a button to keep pace with demand. Bring teams together from any location, putting customers at the center of business to create great experiences with Salesforce Customer 360.